Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions.
Hey everyone, back in my Q&A video, I mentioned that my husband was going to be helping me unbox the Planner Society kit because I was unable to use my left hand. At this point, my hand is healed, but because I said I was going to do it, we're going to go ahead and go forward with this. So I will be using my right hand and he will be acting as my left hand for this unboxing video. So let's get started. Today we'll be unboxing this kit, and then later in the video I'll show you how I use the kit contents in my Happy Planner. First, we have this really cute reindeer planner clip. These are stamps of Planner Society girls that are actually a redesign of ones that originally appeared in the November 2015 kit, which are also known as the official Planner Society girls. This pen is very similar to a pen gem, which I'm really excited about because I love pen gems, and I love the black floral pattern on here. And this month we get 2 rolls of washi. Okay, I can't get this one. I think these die cuts are so gorgeous. The theme for this month is Woodland Winter, which I absolutely love. There are also some cards and Planner Society girls included for mixing and matching. What I might do is punch holes on the side and create a dashboard out of this. You can use exchange different Planner Society girls on here, and then on the back maybe add like a shopping list or some sort of sticky note that has a list on it. Oh gosh. This is brand new for the Planner Society kit. The idea of this is that you are able to make your own customized planner charm using the string and the beads that she provides in the kit. So I'll show you how to do this, where I show you how to use the kit in your Happy Planner. We have these tabs, which she always includes in the kit, and she has these labels. This is something that is new this month. Last month she had some glittery bows and edgers, which were really fun to use. And this month she has lace edgers with different patterns on them, and they are very intricately cut. You could use these in your sidebar, or to maybe indicate that you're going on a trip instead of drawing an arrow like some people do. I really like it when she includes these banner stickers because they're really great to kind of label the different sections. These sticky notes were the most requested from a poll that Christy did on Facebook and Instagram for a throwback to the November 2015 and 2016 kits. And the previous ones also had the Planner Society girls on them, but the patterns are a little bit different this time. I haven't seen these before either. These are letter stickers. It looks like they have rose gold on them, so these would be really fun to use on a dashboard. And finally, the scrapbook paper. I love Christy's paper patterns. They're always so beautiful. That is the November Planner Society kit, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the contents of this kit in my Happy Planner. I've started off by picking out the items in the kit that are my favorite and that color coordinate. I'm going to go ahead and make the planner charm. So this lobster claw and the chain are sold separately. I'll go ahead and link these down below for you for those who aren't interested in purchasing those. But the actual kit comes with this string and these beads, and it's intended for a traveler's notebook, not necessarily a Happy Planner, so I'm modifying it using these additional items. I'm looping the string through the ring on the lobster claw, then tying a double knot to prevent the lobster claw from falling off. Then I just add the beads, tie a double knot at the bottom so that the beads don't fall off, and cut off the excess string. To attach this to your Happy Planner, you can loop the chain through the top ring, and then I take the lobster claw and clasp the two ends of the chain using the lobster claw to form a closed loop. I pulled out the sheets for the month of December to make it easier to decorate them without having that happy planner rings in the way. I felt like the shade of green for December was going to clash with the color scheme I chose, so I decided to cover it up with some of the paper from the kit. Later, I'll come back and add labels for the days of the week and the month. These lace stickers are fantastic. I used one in the sidebar, but I also wanted a scalloped edge across the top of the spread, so I used the paper trimmer to cut these lace stickers in half, and then I was able to use the other half at the bottom of the spread. When I pulled the lace stickers off of the sheet, I noticed that there was this really cool design that I left behind, so I decided to use it as a background for the word December. I thought that that was a pretty cool way of extending the use of the sticker, and also something that I've never seen someone do before. I really like to use these tabs to draw attention to important events, so I'm cutting off the ends so that they'll fit into the squares on my monthly spread, and later on I'll write down my appointments, classes, parties, and other events on these tabs.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.
I'm using the card and the Planner Society Girl die cuts to make a dashboard. I'll punch this later on. I'm placing a sticky note on the back of the dashboard and writing down a list of gifts that I need to buy for Christmas. These Planner Society Girl stamps are so cute, so I decided to use them to stamp directly onto the page. This is my monthly spread for December. I hope this video gave you some ideas for decorating your monthly spread and also using up the planner supplies that you already have at home. If you'd like to see more planner ideas, please check out my Instagram at PersonalizeMyPlanner, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!